Hey everybody, my name is Brendan and welcome back to my channel. Just before I get into this video, I just wanted to take a second to thank everybody, thank all the new subscribers. It was really unexpected. Look, I don't have a whole heap, but still I'm very grateful for the ones that have subscribed and commented as well. Obviously I'm just a small channel at the moment, and I will try to get back to all those comments. Since the last video that I've uploaded, I've been a little bit slack. And as I said, with all the new subscribers, it's really sort of kicked me in the ass to try to get some more content out. And what better way to do that than to see what I got delivered the other day and do a little install video on that. So before I show you, a big shout out to the wife. She ordered some new parts for me. That was also unexpected, and I'm really stoked to show you what I got. So this is what we got, Thrashin Supply Company. And if you don't already know, I'm a big fan of Thrashin Supply and their products. So I'm super excited for this, but I'll show you what I got, which you probably already know from the video title, but I got myself a pair of Apex floorboards. So super stoked to get the stock ones off and put these ones on. All right, so these floorboards, I'll just give you a quick look. They come with this little scratch plate that goes at the back of it. Just three bolts, bit of Loctite, and you screw that in, and then it comes with these adapters. A couple of screws, you just chuck them on. Really simple, really cool design. All right, so I'll throw this one on, and then we'll take the floorboards off that and then chuck them on. All right, awesome, all done. Now let's take this one off. Couple bolts, and this big bad boy will come right off. All right, so you keep the bolts that you've taken out, but the new ones have threads in them, which is pretty cool. So you don't need the nut. So a bit of Loctite on the bolt and chuck her on. Well, ain't that pretty? The board compared to stock. Super cool. Might need to purchase a little extension for longer trips. Don't know how hard that is to install, but yeah, looks awesome. Super excited. Let's do the other side. All right, all done. Let's have a look at it. Ah, looks great. Just with the left-hand side where the foot lever is, it did stick up a bit. I had to lower it slightly. They sit a little bit lower than the other ones, than the stock, so I did have to lower this. So I'm going to go for a bit of a ride, test it out and see if the shifter's all good. So let's go. So overall, I am super stoked with the Apex boards. I went for a bit of a ride around just to test everything out. I was a little bit worried at first, thinking that my foot was a little bit too big for them and that I'd need the extension bit on the back, which I still might get, but it's super comfortable, super grippy, and super cool. Yeah, so if you're thinking about getting them, grab them. I don't know if I need to do a long-term review or anything like that. I don't think so. I think, you know, they feel better than the stock ones. So yeah, super happy with them. I might order the extensions anyway, just to have there for a longer road trip. But 100% the brake needs to change and the clutch. Look, I hope you enjoyed this one. As I said, I'm going to try to pump out some more. Next video I might try just to do an overview of the Road Glide and just give you a full list of the modifications and future upgrades that I'm looking for. Also, Father's Day is coming up, and along with those floorboards, my wife ordered a couple more things, so I'd love to show you guys them. But yeah, that'll be in the next one. So until then, peace.